Hi everyone, welcome to the second video in my fall wardrobe declutter series. Today I am tackling all of my tops, all of my dresses, my shirts, and a few jackets, blazers, cardigans, things of that sort. So the goal of this series is to kind of refresh my closet, see what needs I have in terms of like fall clothing items, whether or not I need more cardigans, moving forward boots, pants, things of that sort. So in this video, I bring everything out of my closet, I lay it out, I try on a few things to see if they're worth keeping, and we'll go from there. Thanks so much for joining. So this is the current state of my closet. Over here, I have like work type tops that are branded for my work. And then this section over here is all tops and blazers and vests and dresses that we are gonna go through today. So here we have my dresses, my vests, and blazers. We're gonna go through these guys first. If I was ever going to a 50s costume party, this would be it. But unfortunately, the Norma Bates look has sailed. These are the only dresses I'm keeping. I put it on backwards. As you can see, I decluttered my closet quite a bit. There were, okay, don't mind my dog just having a sneezing attack in the background. There were a lot of items that I ended up getting rid of that I didn't think I was going to, and that's good because it's eliminated a lot of clutter. It has eliminated a lot of clutter in my closet, and also I feel like the more clothing you have, the harder it is to find things you want to wear. So sticking to that minimalist type ideal, it's just easier to find clothes that you want to wear every day.